Hey family, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another subscription unboxing. My name is Mary, and if this is your first time stopping by, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So by the title, you already know I'm doing another unboxing of my June Ipsy Glam Bag. Like, wow, when I say that, I'm like, I sit it thinking like half of the year is already gone. What, another week and a half, and it'll be July? Like, where has the time gone? Like, seriously, guys, where has the time gone? After a while, you'll be planning Thanksgiving, hopefully, Christmas, and then a new year I have coming on. But yeah. On today's video, I'm doing, once again, an unboxing of my June Ipsy Glam Bag. So it says, discover yourself, Ipsy, and then, as y'all know, it has the Ipsy. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this bag. Oh, okay. And this month's bag felt kind of heavy from my normal past bags that I get. I'm like, oh, I'm excited to open this. Okay, I see there's one item outside of the bag, and as you can tell, the bag, oh, okay, the bag is pretty fun this month. It says have fun, and it says love. Uh-oh, trying to center you guys, because it looks like it's like kind of crooked, but yeah, I love that. And then that's the back of the bag. Let's see if I can position you guys better. There. Hopefully that's better. And, you know, we have the card. Let's just set that to the side. Let's pull out the card for this month. It says, do you. Bold moves only. This month, amp up everything that makes you happy. Glitter lines, rainbow accents, and celebrate the beauty that comes from being you. Then, you know, it just has the June 2021. And then on the inside, it basically gives you everything that's in the card. So yeah, let's start with the first thing that was outside of the box, or the bag. It's by Malandrino. Looks like it's a perfume. E-Day perfume sprayer. Okay. That is what that looks like. Let's see. This is a 10 millimeter 0.34 ounce, and the full version of this is 100 millimeters, and it retails for $110. Says a few spritzes of this fruity floral fragrance will have you dreaming of a romantic Italian vacay. Okay, inspired by the charming city of Venise, the notes of grapefruit and apricot mixed with jasmine and rose exude mystery, femininity, and strength. Okay, so let's take this out and let's take a look here. There's something else in there? Oh, okay. Okay, and okay, that's a little card there, guys, but I'll link this down in the description box where you can get 50% off of a fragrance. Okay, that is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Okay. I can smell the grapefruit. Oh. It's a big mist. Okay. So yeah, once again, that is the what is it? The Malandrino perfume. And it does smell good. Okay, I'll be giving that a try. Okay. Let's delve into the bag. The next item I have here is by Callyssee. What is this? It looks like it's a moisturizer or a cream or something. It's Cloud South Bod Vanilla. That's what that looks like. Let's see what it is. This is what? 31 fluid ounce, and this is a sample deluxe. The full version of this is 200 millimeters and it retails for $16.95. Says this Luxe moisturizer is infused with sweet almond oil, shea butter, aloe vera, and antioxidants. Deeply hydrates and nourishes skin while helping repair damage. As soon as you smooth it on, your skin will look and feel instantly healthier. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. The next item we have here, and I think this was the item that I chose for this month, I think. The next item that we have is by Benefit. It says the POREfessional. It's a long-lasting makeup setting spray. And that is what it looks like. Let's take it out of its package. And this is what? 0.5 fluid ounces. Okay. That is a pretty, what's that, turquoise? Pretty turquoise color. And let's see what it says about it. It says, your makeup isn't complete without a few spritzes of the superpower setting spray. The lightweight formula instantly smooths and refreshes skin, blurs the look of pores, and mattifies excess shine with microfine powders and locks your look into place for a full 16 hours. Okay. And it basically has a tip where it says just shake the bottle well, hold it 8 inches from your face, and then mist evenly all over, which we all know that if we wear makeup. The retail value or the full version size of this is 120 millimeters, and it retails for $32. Like I said, this is a sample size. Okay. Like I said, because I have a problem with my pores, so I look forward to giving that a try. Guys, we only have 2 more products. The next item that we have here is by Cliv Premium, and it is a Mike's Hyaluronic Propolis Foaming Cleanser. Why am I having a hard time talking today? That is what that looks like. This is what? 1 fluid ounces, and the full version is 150 millimeters and it retails for $28. Says not only is this foaming cleanser a delight to use, but it does leave your skin feeling purified and balanced, but not at all stripped. It's all thanks to deep cleaning, micro bubbles, and propolis extracts, which are prized for their ability to help skin retain moisture. Okay. And last but not least, we have a Luxe Beauty. That's what that looks like. Punk Rock Eyeshadow Quad. Let's take it out of its package. And that's what the package looks like. Let's see. And basically it says, inspired by NYC's Lower East Side, this collection of 4 highly pigmented eyeshadows has everything you need to create a fully dimensional eye look. Consider it your go-to for long days, late nights, and every moment in between. And a little tip, it says you can use your fingertips. All right, let's see what this looks like. Okay, it doesn't have a mirror, but that is what it looks like. That's not bad. I could see myself using that color. But yeah. But that's everything, guys. That's in this month's June Ipsy bag. I saw a little theme, or maybe I just thought, but everything had like a pretty color. It was turquoise. Yeah, everything to me this month was pretty. I don't know if that makes sense. Now that I'm thinking about it, I said it out loud. It's like, okay. But yeah, guys, I'll leave a link down in the description box of everything that I received. And in my bag in case you're interested in checking it out. And also there will be a link down in the description box if you're interested in giving Ipsy a try. So guys, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and turn on those bell notifications. First of all, subscribe. What are you waiting for? You watched the video all the way, so hey, what are you waiting for? But yeah, go ahead and turn on those bell notifications so you're notified each and every time that I upload a video. And until the next video, fam, you all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.